If you need to view or download your Wealthsimple Visa credit card statement, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly where to find your statements, how to open them, and how to save or share the official portable document format version. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see all of your accounts listed. If you have a Wealthsimple Visa card, you'll also see your Visa account here. Go ahead and tap on your Visa account. This will take you to your credit card overview, where you can see your balance, recent transactions, and other card details. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This opens your Visa card settings and additional options. Scroll down until you find the Documents section. Under Documents, tap on Statements. Here you'll see a list of your previous monthly credit card statements. Simply tap on the statement for the month you want to review. Wealthsimple will now display the statement details for that billing period, including your transactions, payments, balances, and other important account information. If you need the official portable document format version, tap the page icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the full statement as a portable document format file. If you want to save it or send it to someone, tap the share button in the bottom right corner. Your phone will display all of the available sharing options, such as email, messaging apps, cloud storage, or printing, depending on what's installed on your device. A quick tip before you go: if you need a statement for tax purposes, a mortgage application, or income verification, it's usually best to share the portable document format version, since it is the official statement issued by Wealthsimple. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can view, download, and share your Wealthsimple Visa credit card statements. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.